Hi, I'm Jed Wonderly and welcome to my channel. Kind of a rebirth of the channel because I do have a fair amount of videos on there already, but I'm kind of redo the format of the channel. I'm still going to talk a lot about mortgages, from the mortgage bond market to various mortgage programs to real estate investing and that kind of thing. But the other thing, we're gonna add several things to it. Not the other thing, we're gonna add 3 things to it. In my last channel, I did have some stuff about my music studio and my music, and as you can see, I've got a guitar there and a guitar there. Those are 2 of my guitars, and I've got quite a bit of other music equipment in the studio. And like you can see down there, there's my amplifier, there's some of my rack gear, and I can get you over here. You can see my pedal board, my guitar pedal board there. So got that kind of thing. Also got some of my other rack gear here, and take it over here. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. Some of the rest of it's there. But that's where I'll be producing these videos, and along with, of course, new music I write and whatnot. But in addition to mortgages, in addition to music, we're also going to talk a lot about sports. Hey, let's see. Oh, look at that, Utah football. Oh, nice hat. Yes, so I am a huge Utah athletics fan. Love University of Utah football, the Utes. Love, of course, the basketball. Love all their sports. I'm a season ticket holder for football, basketball, and gymnastics. And so I'm going to talk a lot about those 3 sports, a little bit about volleyball as well, with the main 2 being, of course, football and basketball. And then the other thing I'm going to add in there is I do love to smoke meat, and my favorite is brisket, and then I also do pork butts and a few other things, well, like mostly, baby back ribs. Those are my 3 primary things I do, and I'll take you on some journeys with my escapades out in my backyard kitchen, where I, do a lot of smoking, griddling, and grilling and whatnot. So I'll do some videos with that, and hopefully make you a little hungry as you're watching and inspire you to do some of those things. And so if you like any of those topics, feel free to subscribe to the channel and drop by on a regular basis. Throughout football season, I'm gonna do a once a week episode, probably on Wednesday. Sometimes, just depending on if I'm traveling or whatever, I might have to do it on a different day. But I'm gonna do some regular videos during the football season, and then of course throughout the basketball season I'll do those as well. And then whenever I can, and whenever it warrants it, I'll do videos with mortgage information, as well as videos, on new songs I'm working on, or new equipment that I get, or whatever. So that's kind of the new channel. Welcome. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you a lot. Feel free to comment on any of the videos. Let's try to keep it, nice and positive. We can disagree, but let's do so, in a nice manner, and go Utes, and again, also with all my other stuff. Go music, go mortgages, that kind of thing. And I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks, and take care.